In today's digital age, video marketing is crucial for online sellers, dropshippers, and affiliate marketers. But creating high-quality ad videos can be time-consuming and expensive. This video will change that by introducing 4 top AI tools that can transform your product URLs and blog posts into professional advertisement videos effortlessly. Let's discover these game-changing tools. The first tool on our list is HeyGen. With this tool, you can create amazing AI videos like this.
Stop scrolling. Ever wanted to capture memories like a pro without the hassle? Meet the Canon PowerShot SX740HS with a crazy 40x optical zoom. Close up or far away, this camera's got you. Shoot stunning 4K videos and time-lapse movies that make any moment epic.
Let me show you how. Simply click on the link below this video, then sign up for an account using your email and password or your Google account. After registering, you will see an interface like this. To start creating a product advertisement video, just select URL to ads. Here, you need to paste a link. It can be a product link on Amazon, Shopify, eBay. As you can see, it supports many platforms, not just products on e-commerce sites, but also on WordPress. This means you can easily turn product review articles into product review videos. Alright, let's do it right now. Now, I just need to switch to Amazon and choose any product, then copy its link and return to HeyGen and paste it here. Next, click Generate Video. On the next page, you will see it has retrieved the product information, including the product name, product description, and product images. Now just click Next to move to the next page. On this page, you can see there are several options like AI scripts or custom scripts. If you choose custom scripts, you will create the video according to your own script. So I will choose AI scripts because I want AI to create the script for me. In the next option, HeyGen wants to know who your target audience is so they can create a suitable script. Next, choose the language, and once selected, click Next to move to the next page. Alright, on this page you will see 4 scripts in 4 different styles. Just choose the appropriate script. Okay, on this page it means you are almost done. Now choose a suitable template, then preview it.
Stop everything. You haven't seen anything like this before.
If you are not satisfied, you can change to another template or change another avatar. Next, add background music. You can create captions by selecting here. After everything is complete, just click Submit. It will take a little time for HeyGen to create the video for you. Here it is.
Stop scrolling. Ever wanted to capture memories like a pro without the hassle? Meet the Canon PowerShot SX740HS with a crazy 40x optical zoom. Close up or far away, this camera's got you. Shoot stunning 4K videos and time-lapse movies that make any moment epic. Selfie game strong, the 180-degree tilt screen has you covered, literally. And the smooth skin effect, total win for flawless pics. Share instantly with built-in Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. No cords, no fuss. Ready to level up your photography? Grab your Canon PowerShot SX740HS today.
Okay, the second tool on our list is Creatify AI, a platform that helps you create videos quickly, shortening the process from product discovery to purchase. Sign up for an account using your email or Google account. Once successfully registered, you can see URL to Video Ad Maker. Now select Create Now. Here you will see 2 options: Upload manually and Analyze URL. If you choose Upload manually, you will do everything manually. We will choose Analyze URL. Now just paste the Amazon product URL here. Very simple. You will see the AI has analyzed the data and retrieved the product information. Next is the video settings. Here you can choose the aspect ratio, video length, target audience, for example, outdoor enthusiasts. Finally, choose the country language. In this video, we will choose English as the language. Next is choosing the script. You will see there are 4 scripts in 4 different styles. Just choose one of the 4 scripts and continue to the next step. Now, just choose the visual style and preview.
Ever missed capturing that perfect moment because your phone camera just couldn't zoom in enough or the video came out shaky? Yeah, me too. That's until I switched to the Canon PowerShot SX740. This compact camera packs a whopping 40x optical zoom and keeps everything stable with its optical image stabilizer. Recording at a party, its 4K video quality is stellar. And selfies, the flip LCD screen has you covered. Plus, I can instantly share everything to my phone via Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. So grab yours now and start nailing those perfect shots every time. Trust me, it's a game changer.
If you are not satisfied, you can change the avatar, voiceover, aspect ratio, and background music. Alright, If you are satisfied with the video, select Render, so the tool can create the video for you. It will cost you 5 credits per video if you agree to render. If you use the free version, your video will have a watermark. After agreeing to render, just wait a few minutes to have a professional product advertisement video, then download it. Now let's get acquainted with the next tool on our list, Fliki AI. First, click on the link below this video, and you will be taken to the Fliki AI website. Register using your Google account, then go to New File. Here, select the Video tab, then name the video and choose the aspect ratio. In the Start With section, choose Product, and press Submit to move to the next step. On this page, paste the product link into the product URL box. Note that Fliki only supports 2 platforms, Amazon and Airbnb. Next, set the duration for the video. Fliki supports a maximum video length of up to 5 minutes. Then, choose a suitable template. Once everything is set up, press Submit and wait a few minutes for Fliki to create the video for you. When the video is ready, preview it.
Shoot digital camera. Sold by Amazon.com. Capture stunning photos with Canon's point-and-shoot digital camera in sleek silver. Experience powerful 40x optical zoom.
If you are not satisfied, you can change the background music in the background audio section. Here, you can choose a track from the library or upload your own music. You can also change the voiceover by clicking on Voiceover. Here, you will see the names of the voice characters. If you want to change, just select the character name. Fliki offers a variety of voiceovers. Just choose a suitable voice and press Apply to all scenes. If you are satisfied with everything, just click Download to download the video to your device. The last tool on our list today is Video Magic. To turn your Amazon product link into a video, first click the Sign Up button and create an account. On the left side, you will see options to create videos, manage videos, and video templates. To start, choose a template from the Template tab. Choose the one that suits you best and open it. For example, I choose this template and click on it. Now you have 2 options. The first is to fetch content from a URL. With this option, you just need to enter the Amazon or Shopify product link. If you choose Enter Content Manually, you will have to enter all the content manually. I will choose Fetch Content from URL. On the next page, we need to enter some information. First is the platform. Since I want to create a video from an Amazon product URL, I will choose Amazon. Next is the video name. Enter the title for your video. Then, paste the product URL link into this box. First, copy the product URL from the Amazon page and paste it into Video Magic. Next, enter keywords related to your product. For this video, I will enter keywords like Canon camera, digital point, and shoot camera. After entering the keywords, select one or more suitable aspect ratios. Depending on the aspect ratio you choose, the video will be optimized for use on corresponding platforms. You can select multiple aspect ratios, and Video Magic will create video versions for these ratios. I will choose the 16:9 aspect ratio. After entering all the information, scroll down to the bottom of the page. Here, you will see 2 options, I'm Feeling Lucky and Edit Video Content. The second option allows you to edit the content before creating the video. I will choose I'm Feeling Lucky. When you press I'm Feeling Lucky, Video Magic will start the video creation process. You can monitor the progress from here. This process will take about a minute. Once completed, the status will change to Ready. Here it is, our Amazon product review video. It's amazing.
Discover new perspectives with a 40x optical zoom lens, designed for those who want to get closer to the action. Enjoy the flexibility of a 3.0-inch tilt-type LCD.
Now, download the video to your device. Alright everyone, I will end the tutorial video here. I would love to hear about your experiences, so please leave comments for each tool below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss the next great tutorials. Thanks for watching.